Hi guys, hope you're doing well. Today I'm going to make some chicken nuggets. Our ingredients are 700 grams of chicken breast, 1 egg, some milk, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, white pepper, paprika powder, garlic powder, some salt, onion powder, some oil, 4 slices of toast bread, some vegetables oil, 1 cup of breadcrumbs, and for garnish, some dill. We are also using some Persian cheese snacks. I'm going to add our ingredients in food processor. Now add some chicken breast. I'm going to grind some Muscat. Some onion powder, some salt, some garlic powder, paprika powder, and white pepper, and 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. I'm going to mix it by hand. Rub the surface with the oil a little bit and transfer the material. I'm going to spread it in a square form. It should be 1 centimeter thick. Rub some oil on knife and cut it. I'm going to mix the cheese snacks. Crumbs and cheese snack and mix it. Now let us beat the egg. And 1 tablespoon of milk. Now I'm going to transfer the nuggets first in egg and then in breadcrumb. Now we are going to rest them for 30 minutes in freezer. Our chicken nuggets are ready. Now I'm going to fry them. I start with adding the oil. Add the nuggets when the oil is hot. Let it fry till golden brown. Then flip them over. Now I'm going to remove any excess oil. Let's try it.